A good car radiator is vital to the operation of your vehicle, being it is the device that removes the heat from the coolant. Without it, your car would quickly overheat, causing the engine to begin destroying itself. Older metal radiators, when well maintained, can last for the life of the car, but many modern radiators are mostly made from plastic, which expands and contracts as the radiator heats and cools, making it last around 8 to 10 years. It's very important to make sure the radiator always contains the proper level of coolant. If the level of coolant is frequently too low, it could mean there is a leak. Another problem is with a thermostat that regulates coolant flow. Thermostat problems will cause frequent overheating, which is a problem you should have checked out as quickly as possible. Extended overheating can cause a great deal of damage to a car radiator as well, especially if the coolant leaks out because of a hole in the radiator that can't easily be fixed. Another thing that can damage your radiator is, of course, a front-end collision. If something hits you head-on, it will damage and possibly destroy your radiator. Having a good car radiator is a must. Without it, the vehicle won't run. It's as simple as that. Let us help you keep your radiator working in tip-top condition.
Hi, thanks for watching. Come on in. We keep your car COVID clean and safe. Thank you.